In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and let me show you how to reach user manual on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select Tips and User Manual. As you can see, it's at the bottom of the list, so just mark it. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now just pick, for example, manage your phone settings. And here you will have the whole instruction on how to customize your screen. Then if you would like to do more with notes, just mark it. And here also you've got the whole tutorial. You can watch it, then you can skip the site and go further. If you would like to reach, for example, fun features, just open it, and here you will be able to locate all necessary info. So just check the information that you would like to reach, mark it, and then you will be provided with further details. Also, you can just reach user manual right here. Within a couple of seconds, you will be redirected to the whole website regarding it. And as you can see here, you can reach all info. So for example, if you would like to gain some more knowledge regarding quick charging, just mark it. And here it is, you can read it right here. You can also change the size of your phones and line spacing. As you can see now, you can read it in comfy way. And this is it, that would be all. So you can reach user manual, how you can get along with your device a bit more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.